On March the 27th, the Turkish Armed Forces s.a.a. and the Free Syrian Army s.a.a. started a push to capture the city of Tel Rifat, located southeast of the city of Afrin in northern Syria. When Turkey's Operation Olive Branch started on January the 20th, a force led by the Kurdish People's Protection Units (YPG) controlled Tel Rifat. Later, the YPG shared control of the Tel Rifat countryside with the National Defense Forces, a pro-government militia integrated within the Syrian Arab Army s.a.a. According to pro-Turkish sources, by March 28, the TAF and the FSA had established control of Tel Rifat, Minak Air Base, and Sheikh Isa. The villages of Der Jamaa, Kafranya, and Sheikh Hilal had reportedly remained contested. No clashes have been reported in the area. If this is true, Turkey and the Syrian-Iranian-Russian alliance have likely reached a kind of behind-the-scenes deal, handing over control of Tel Rifat and its countryside to Ankara and its proxies. Earlier, Turkish top officials claimed that the military operation in Afrin will be finished only after the seizure of Tel Rifat. However, pro-YPG sources deny that the TAF is now in control of Tel Rifat. The situation is unclear. The s.a.a. and the Tiger forces are preparing to storm the town of Douma in eastern Ghouta as negotiations between the government and Jaish al-Islam, which controls the area, have shown a lack of progress over the last few days. According to pro-government sources, the operation may be started soon if a reconciliation deal is not reached. Earlier, the rest of the militant-held area of eastern Ghouta was liberated by government troops, by force and through a series of reconciliation deals. The deals allowed local militants to withdraw towards Idlib without heavy weapons, or to settle their legal status under the Damascus governance. The U.S. is building a military base in the vicinity of the country's largest oil field, the Douma oil field. Mehdi Kobani, a press secretary of the Syrian Democratic Forces (SDF) in Deir ez-Zor, told Sputnik Turkey on March 27th. The U.S. is building a large military base in the oil-rich Al-Orma region of Deir ez-Zor province. Due to security concerns, we cannot provide information about the acreage of this new installation. There is currently construction machinery working in the vicinity of the base, and security is being provided by SDF forces, Kobani said. First reports about the U.S. military installation in the Douma oilfield area appeared in the middle of March. Now the SDF de facto confirmed that its patron continues efforts to continue the occupation of eastern Syria. Locals have started a series of protests in the village of Al-Mansoura in the province of Raqqa. The tensions reportedly erupted after the SDF arrested a leader of the local Arab tribe. The SDF is a de facto Kurdish-dominated group controlled by the YPG and its political wing, the Democratic Union Party (PYD). The PYD and PYD-linked security forces are actively working to establish their own rule in the SDF-held areas. These efforts are causing tensions with the local population.